Lesson 21, Invoice and Label Printing. In this chapter, we'll discuss about invoice printing, bulk invoice printing and label printing. Invoice printing we have discussed in our earlier chapters also. Here we'll discuss bulk invoice printing and then is label printing, that is how you can create and configure accounts and item labels and then you can print it. So in this chapter, we'll discuss only these three sections: invoice printing, bulk invoice printing and label printing. First of all, we'll discuss invoice printing. For this, we'll open a voucher in modify mode and we'll print it in standard format. So basically, invoice printing refers to printing a voucher as soon as you save it or you open a voucher in modify mode and then print it. Basically, it's a single invoice printing which we are referring to. Here on the screen, you can see we have opened a sales voucher in modify mode and have printed it in standard format. Now we'll discuss bulk invoice printing. Bulk invoice printing refers to printing of invoice in bulk, that is you can print vouchers of a particular voucher type that are entered between a specified date range or that lies between a particular voucher number range. For bulk printing of invoice, we'll go to printing, print utilities, invoice document section. Under invoice document, first of all we'll select the voucher type, that is for which we want to print the invoice. We have here selected the sales invoice. Then we need to specify that we want to print vouchers for a particular date range or for particular voucher numbers. We have selected voucher numbers option. Then we'll specify that we want to print vouchers belonging to a particular account, all the accounts or a particular account group. Similar for the item, for a particular item, all the items or group of items. Then we want to print voucher for any particular series, and then we'll specify the date range or the voucher numbers, that is starting voucher number and ending voucher number, and then we'll specify the format in which we want to print the invoice. On clicking the preview button, you can see on the screen we have printed sales invoice for all the vouchers falling between the specified voucher numbers. Next, we are printing sales invoice again in the A5 half page format. We again go to invoice document section. We have selected the voucher number wise option and here we have selected the format as A5. So bulk invoice printing you can print in any format as per your requirement. Now we'll discuss about the label printing. Label printing refers to printing of labels, that is first you need to configure a format and then you can print labels accordingly. For this, we'll go to administration, configuration, label printing configuration. On selecting label printing configuration, you can see account label and item label, two options are appearing. Select whether you want to create and configure format for accounts label or item label. Here we are selecting account labels option and then we are clicking add format button to create a new format. Here we have created a new format with the name 1. Now we'll select this format, that is format 1, and click the configure button. Now press Alt D key to load the default invoice format. Now press the Alt F4 key to see and select the list of available fields. Here in the accounts field section, we have selected the account mobile number and added it to the document. If you want, you can change the character needed for printing this particular field. Now we will see how we can print the labels in this particular format. For this, we'll go to printing, print utilities, account labels option. Here this is asking that you want to print labels for a particular account, all accounts or group of accounts. We are selecting group of accounts option. Then we need to specify the group. We are selecting the group as sundry debtors and then we are selecting the format as 1, that is the format which we have created just now. So on the screen you can see there are 4 sundry debtors whose details are being printed as specified in the label printing configuration. In this chapter we have discussed single invoice printing, bulk invoice printing and label printing configuration. Hope after going through this chapter you will be able to print invoice in bulk and create and configure label format and print the labels. At the end of the chapter we have provided certain exercise. You can view the exercise on screen and attempt it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.